You know, I often find like irony and sarcasm used interchangeably. You know, so irony and sarcasm are mutually exclusive. I mean, the commonality irony and sarcasm share is, you know, irony is the or verbal irony. Remember, we have situational irony. Situational irony and verbal irony are like a dichotomy. And we know a dichotomy is the partitioning or polarization of a whole into mutually exclusive parts. So irony is the contrast of what's expected or anticipated. And that's primarily if you're placing that emphasis on situational irony. Situational irony. Contrast, polarity of what's expected or anticipated. Right? Right. Verbal irony is when there's a literal